Hello English lovers, welcome to another episode of Dominating English Lessons. If you are joining us for the first time, you can click the pop-up at the top right corner of your screen to view some previous lessons. I hope you enjoy this video. Today we are going to learn about numbers, both cardinal and ordinal. You might be asking, what is a cardinal number or what is an ordinal number? Well, before we begin, I'd like you to take a look at this example. 1 and first. Which of these would be the cardinal number and which would be the ordinal? Let's get started. A cardinal number is a number that tells you how many of something there are. You may also think of it as a counting number. A word that you may hear when talking about numbers is digits. A digit is a number from 0 to 9. For example, there are 3 chairs. The cardinal number here is 3. Now let's go through some cardinal numbers from 0 to 20. Feel free to pause the video or rewind it whenever necessary. Try repeating after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Note that the word 5 has a V, but in the word 15, the V changes to an F. The number after 20 is 21. However, it's important to note that in writing, the 20 and the 1 are separated by a hyphen. This goes for all the numbers between 20 and 30, between 30 and 40, and so on until you get to 100. Let's continue with the rest of numbers counting by tens. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After 100, the number is separated by and. Then you write the rest of the number as you normally would. So this number is 101. Now we'll count by hundreds. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Here we have the number 135. In speech, you can say 135, but in writing, it will be 135. Here we have 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, and 1 billion. Now we move on to ordinal numbers. An ordinal number tells the position of something. For example, the second door is closed. Let's take a look at this diagram. There is door 1 and there is door 2. The first door is open, but the second door is closed. In other words, the door in the second position is closed. Now let's go through ordinal numbers from 0th to 20th. You can repeat after me until you have the correct pronunciation. 0th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. It's important to pay close attention to the spell change for a few of these ordinal numbers, especially 5th, 12th, and 20th. The V in 5 becomes F in 5th. the V in 12 becomes F in 12th, and the Y in 20 becomes an I before we add the ETH in 20th. Now that we've covered that, let's continue counting by tens. 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th. Here we have 1,000th, 1 million, and 1 billion. To wrap up, I have a few questions for you. How many apples are here? 3. There are 3 apples. What number is this? 15. This is number 15. Which pencil is the tallest? The first pencil is the tallest. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, let's keep dominating English. Bye!